Hello everyone. Today I am here to present a brief information about our upcoming video campaign against women violence. According to WHO, 1 out of 3 women has experienced abuse and violence in her lifetime. In Nepal itself, in the year 2019, 1,632 rape cases were registered in Nepal police, along with 687 cases of attempted rape. That is around 6 rapes per day. Also, according to UNDP, the violence against women and particularly domestic violence has intensified by 30 to 40% post the outbreak of COVID-19. Sadly, only 10% of such cases are reported to the police, whereas the rest are just suppressed. All these facts and figures, unfortunately, are the sad reality of today. There is a lot that we all want to voice out aloud against these shameful, inhuman actions. Hence, in these times of need, UND-Dang is providing a platform to raise our voices together against all forms of abuse towards women through a nationwide online video campaign entitled Voices Against Physical, Sexual and Psychological Abuse Against Women. So, if you also want to contribute and join with us in this nationwide campaign to advocate for the safety and dignity of women, UND-Dang warmly welcomes you. For the detailed information of our campaign, you can contact us through email, Facebook page or through our official number mentioned above. UND-Dang would also like to call out for collaborations to make this campaign much more impactful. So, any organization interested to connect with us for this campaign are requested to reach out for collaboration. We, UND-Dang, believe that with joint efforts, we can make our voices reach out to a larger audience, much louder, clearer, and stronger. So, do join us as we embark upon our most anticipated campaign and be a part of the change. Thank you.